town in central Syria. More and more, this is how the Assad regime is staying in power, through the barrels of its guns, in a military offensive against its own people. Syria's president promised national dialogue on Monday, 2 days before these pictures...
Have you got hiccups? Oh, yes, you have.
But his troops are still doing the talking with rifles. And clubs. He is surrounding someone in Homs and beating him to the ground, hauling him away to a nearby vehicle and an uncertain route.
Oh dear.
All footage taken, it's claimed, since Assad's speech, but we can't know for certain. In the north, Syrian forces were seen pushing back.
He always has hiccups.
Side of the border, where there's been a no man's land for days. Syria says it's liberating villages from armed gangs and outlaws being used in a foreign conspiracy. These fleeing Syrians didn't look liberated, fleeing their approaching military, pouring across the border in their hundreds, joining thousands already in Turkey, too fearful to...
Oh, bless him.
As matters deteriorate on the border, America is warning the situation could escalate.
Unless the Syrian forces immediately end their attacks and their provocations that are not only now affecting their own citizens, but endangering the potential of border clashes, then we're going to see an escalation of conflict in the area.
Across Syria, activists have called for a general strike. According to these pictures, many responded in Homs and in Hama, where there's been some of the most brutal repression, and in Idlib, further north. Syrians are still daring to come out in their thousands and call for Bashar al-Assad to go.
Oh, he likes his strokes from his mummy.
Do you want Bashar, they're asked here. No way, they shout. And despite the military crackdown, massive protests continue on the streets here in Hama, if these pictures are what they claim to be.